Playtime on the meadow. It began with a sound, then a thump in the grass, then a giggle. A moment later, Raffi the giraffe came running, a swirl of leaves twirling in the air behind. Close behind was Dotti the cow, laughing so warmly that the sound floated like tiny bubbles. Further back, between the trees, stood Ozzo the hippo, watching. The sun blinked through the leaves, painting spots of light on the ground that danced back and forth. Raffi and Dotti are so good at running and playing, Ozzo thought. For a moment, Ozzo's legs wanted to join in. A warming, bubbling energy started forming, but then came the thoughts that made everything stop. They're probably too fast. My legs won't do what I want, I'll just fall. Ozzo took a step back and sat down behind a low bush. Raffi rushed by, not far away, long legs pounding softly. Dotti turned sharply around a stone. "I'm right behind you, Raffi." I'd surely tumble if I tried that, Ozzo thought, and tucked in a little closer behind the leaves. For a while, Ozzo just sat there, listening to the sounds of running, breathing, heard the grass whisper swish, swish against legs and bellies, and of course lots of laughter. It tickled inside Ozzo a wish to join. Then something started to happen. Ozzo shifted a little in the tall grass. First just a bit, then a bit more. It tingled inside. A warmth, a wish to stand up, not to be fast or first, just to feel the grass beneath, just to move. Ozzo stood and stepped out from the shade of the bush, the light laying across the shoulders like a cape. Raffi and Dotti were still running, so they didn't notice that Ozzo had stepped onto the meadow. One step, then another, slowly at first, just as it felt right. There, Ozzo thought, moving again. And there. Raffi appeared from behind a bush, panting and smiling. For a moment, Raffi stopped and watched Ozzo walking across the meadow. Dotti came after with short, quick steps, letting out a tiny laugh. They kept running as before. Ozzo kept moving in its own way. After a few steps, it happened. Ozzo stumbled. Not much, just enough to fall a little forward. A tuft of grass popped up into the air and landed right in front. Ozzo stayed there for a second, breathing in the green scent of the grass up close, fresh and lovely. That didn't hurt, Ozzo thought with a smile, standing up again. Up we go. The energy bubbled on inside. A few steps ahead, Raffi crossed the meadow in Ozzo's direction. "Watch out, I'm coming," Raffi called, quick and excited. Ozzo stepped aside, laughing, spinning around a small mound, and then the legs began to move again, almost on their own. Slowly, something changed. There was still running and giggling and short hops, but now Ozzo's movements were part of it too. A bit different, but still fitting in. The game didn't change, it simply grew, and now Ozzo was part of it. Dotti stopped for a moment to catch a breath and looked over at Ozzo. "Coming?" Dotti called, not to hurry, but to share the moment. Ozzo nodded, but then started a little off balance. "Oops," Ozzo said, giggling. Its tail brushed softly through the grass. Raffi popped up on the other side of a tree stump, tilting the head. "Here I am! Here I am!" Ozzo answered, laughing, and Dotti echoed the same. Now the three were running together on the same meadow. Raffi took wide turns. Dotti cut the corners and found quick paths between the clovers. Ozzo chose a way past a stone, around a flower, over a small rise. There were no rules, just a feeling that everyone was here and that was enough. After a while, they all dropped into the grass, happily exhausted. Their hearts slowed, their breathing softened. The wind moved low across the meadow, making small ripples in the grass. Dotti lay on the back and looked up. "You run in such a special way, Ozzo," Dotti said. "It looks like water rolling over little stones." "That's how it felt," Ozzo said. "Soft, sometimes a bit uneven, but soft." "I saw you behind the bush earlier," Raffi said. "I didn't know if you wanted to join the game." "I was waiting for my legs to join," Ozzo said. "They needed a moment to figure it out." Raffi nodded slowly. "My legs sometimes feel too long. They get lost, but they always come back." "And I sometimes forget myself," Dotti said. "I start thinking too much about whether everyone else is okay." "We are, Dotti," Ozzo said with a smile, "especially when you're playing too." They lingered in the grass for a while. Ozzo spotted a bright cloud moving slowly across the sky. It took a little detour, as if it wasn't in a hurry. It looked a bit like a hippo. "That cloud," Ozzo said, "it goes just the way I like it. Not straight, just forward." For a heartbeat, Dotti just rested in the moment and then said, "Do you want to run some more?" "Yes," Ozzo cried, almost toppling over from excitement. "Maybe to that bush," Raffi said. They all stood up. The grass rose too, slowly, as if stretching after a nap. First a few steps, then a handful more. But soon the running began again, laughter echoing between them. Ozzo stumbled once, but was quick to get up. Raffi looked surprised. "You're fast at getting back up." "Yes," Dotti said, "almost like a ball bouncing before it hits the ground." When they reached the bush, Ozzo stopped and looked at it. It looked the same as always, and yet not quite. It wasn't a place to hide from the game anymore. It was just a bush. But it made Ozzo remember how it felt to sit there, and how it feels now. "I thought I was left out," Ozzo said quietly. "But were you?" Dotti asked. Ozzo shook its head. "No, I was just sitting still a little too long." Raffi nudged Ozzo gently. "That's fine too. And then you can get up and join in." The wind carried the scent of clover across the meadow. The cloud that took detours drifted on. The three stood for a while, watching it. "Do you want to play again tomorrow?" Dotti asked. "Yes," Raffi said. "Same place, here by the bush?" Ozzo took a deep breath. "I'll be there. I'll always be there. Even if my legs need time to think about it first." They walked home along the path, step by step, not the same, but together.